What's up guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to have the full review of the T500 or the Iwo 13 smartwatch. Let's go! Hey guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is we're going to have the full review of our T500 or the Iwo 13 smartwatch. Alright guys, so just an overview. So I got this watch for around $18 US, and you can order this one through AliExpress or Shopee or your online shopping of your choice. Alright guys, so we are going to talk first the pros or the good thing about this smartwatch. First is the watch design. It really looks and feel premium. And also the strap, it is really great, and also it's comfortable to wear, and you can even replace this one with the original iWatch 5 series, so you just have to make sure that it's really compatible. And now guys, I'm going to talk about the cons or the disadvantage of this smartwatch. So first is what I observed is the UI. It's quite laggy, and whenever you try to press to the other side, it's not really that responsive. So that's why sometimes you really have to press it again and again. And I don't know guys, for some reasons the watch that I got, it is not really fully attached. So I think it seems defective. So I'm really disappointed with it. And if you remember when we first unboxed it, the product or the smartwatch is already on the other side and it is not properly placed. And another stressful thing about this smartwatch guys is the charger. So whenever I try to charge it, so especially if it is not properly placed, then it will easily disconnect. And for that, you really have to make sure that it is properly charged. And last but not the least guys, the negative about this smartwatch is the battery. So I know you have been asking about what's the battery life, and I need to be honest, it is not that great. So whenever you connect this one with your smartphone, then you might only use that one for around 3 to 4 hours, and for standby mode, then it can last for around a day. So I'm not sure guys if we have the same experience with the smartwatch, and this is just my personal opinion about the smartwatch that I got. Alright guys, so if you have any more questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.